welcome to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Christmas cake that I know you guys are going to love, especially because it's a crepe cake. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. The ingredients: all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, vanilla paste, food coloring, I chose green, milk, and eggs. This is everything we need to prepare this crepe cake for Christmas. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start adding my 3 eggs in this bowl. I like to do one by one to make sure that they come out good. Once you add them in here, we are going to go ahead and add some food coloring. And I'm just adding 1 or 2 drops, just a little bit, to give it that little bit of color. Once you really scramble it and everything is really incorporated, I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to incorporate the sugar. Right after the sugar, of course, the vanilla paste. The vanilla paste really gives this crepes a very delicious flavor. I'm adding the pinch of salt. Remember that the pinch of salt really brings up the vanilla taste, the sugar taste, and now the milk. Let's incorporate all the liquids first before we add the all-purpose flour. Once you add the all-purpose flour, make sure that you whisk for about 4 to 5 minutes, making sure that there are no lumps behind. If you don't want to be whisking for too long, you could put it in the blender and then blend it for just a couple minutes. And look at this. Make sure that there are no lumps in here. You want to make sure that the lumps are not there and it's nice and smooth. Let me show you. Look at this. You could only see the little sprinkles of the vanilla paste. Believe me, the vanilla paste gives the crepes such an amazing flavor that once you taste them, you're going to say, this tastes amazing. I have my pan here. I'm adding 2-3 drops of oil, and then I'm just going to clean it all around. And you're no longer going to add oil. You're just going to add your mixture. Mix it all around, making sure that all the bottom of your saucepan is completely covered. And once this is done, you're going to see little bubbles. Once you start seeing the little bubbles in the center, then you flip. When you flip it, if it's not in the center, it's very easy to move from side to side. They come out really thin, really delicious, but just remember, don't add too much oil. You only add oil at the beginning and then that's it. I'm going to show you from close up when it's time to flip your crepe. Look at this. You could see the little bubbles right on the top, and even the edges start turning a little bit white. That's when you know that it's time to flip your crepe. Look at this. Just like that. You see all those little bubbles? Once you flip it, maybe if you flip it 1 or twice, but when it doesn't stick to the pan like this, it's ready to be removed. Look at this. Now I'm going to remove it. I'm going to make one more. I want to show you this step because I don't want you to add too much oil. Really, to make crepes, you don't need to add any oil. Just a little bit at the beginning and then that's it. Okay, well, I'm going to continue making the rest because I'm going to be making about 20 of them. Look at this. I am done. I made, out of this mixture, I made 20 crepes. And they are 6-inch. Look at this. Really thin, really delicate. But this Christmas cake comes out so beautiful, so delicious that you're gonna love it. This is what I'm gonna use for the filling. I have cream cheese, whipping cream, the M&Ms, vanilla paste, and food coloring. That's what I'm gonna use to fill the cake, the filling of the cake plus the decoration. Of course, you could do the decoration as you would like, but here I have some cream cheese. I'm gonna add some vanilla paste. I'm going to start adding just a little bit of the green food coloring, and then I'm gonna mix it. When it's nice and smooth, I'm gonna start adding a little bit of it at a time of the whipping cream. Just a little bit at a time until I have enough, and I'm using only 1 cup of whipping cream. Once this is nice and whipped, just like that, now I'm ready to start adding it right on the top of the crepes. And I want to say sorry because I was filming this and I completely forgot to record that step. But here I already filled all the crepes in the center, and now I'm adding a little bit of just whipping cream, adding a little bit of food coloring for the decoration on the outside. And the decoration on the outside is going to be a little thick, a little darker. The green is going to be a little darker for the decoration of the cake. Look at this. And this I'm going to transfer to a bag, a pastry bag. If you don't have a pastry bag, any bag will do. I'm going to add some parchment paper on the center so I don't make a mess. I'm going to add my cake here, and now I am ready to cover the whole cake. Of course, you could leave it as is. It really looks really nice, but I decided that I want to just cover everything so it looks really nice and covered from the top, from the sides, until it's nice and covered. This part really takes a little longer time, but you know something, when you're done making this cake, you're gonna say, if Gloria could do it, I could do it. Of course, the holidays are here. Let's enjoy and be baking for our families. We are at home, staying at home, and why not start making these delicious and amazing cakes for the kids, for the adults. Let's enjoy it. Like I said, the holidays are here. Christmas is right around the corner, and this is gonna look like little lights, a cake with little lights hanging. Look at this. It's gonna look so beautiful that I know that you guys are going to try it. You guys are gonna make it, and it's gonna taste even better. Look at this. Really cute, of course, made at home with lots of love, giving you ideas so that you could make at home for your loved ones. And I want to reveal the inside. I want to see how it looks from the inside. And it looks amazing. I can't wait to taste it, all those layers. I can't wait to enjoy it. Look at this. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy it. I am done with this delicious cake, crepe cake for Christmas. Look at this. Look at all the layers they have. It looks just amazing, but this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It's really nice and fluffy, and I just can't take it anymore. I can't resist. You know something? The vanilla paste gave it such an amazing flavor that I know you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Happy holidays from my family to yours. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.